In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check outliers and remove them in Tableau. So let's dive right in and get started with this essential skill for data analysis and visualization. First off, you want to open the Tableau public app on your computer. If you haven't downloaded it yet, you can easily find it on Tableau's official website. Once you have the app open, navigate to your worksheet where all your data resides. This worksheet is where the magic is going to happen. Next, you'll be dragging the profit field up to your rows. But here's a crucial step. You want to change its status to a dimension. This adjustment is going to help you hone in on the specific data granularity you are interested in analyzing. Then let's proceed by dragging the city field to the filters. When the filter options appear, make sure you select all and click OK. This step ensures that you are examining the data across all cities, which is important for capturing the full spectrum of potential outliers. Moving forward, click on the Analysis menu at the top and navigate to Create Calculated Field. Now this is where you can start defining logic for identifying and excluding those pesky outliers. Give this field a name, make it descriptive so you can easily remember its function. Then type in your query. This query will be based on your specific outlier identification criteria. Once you've done that, click OK to create the calculated field. You're not done yet because you will need to create a total of 7 calculated fields. Each calculated field will help you segment the data in ways that enhance your analysis. Keep consistent naming conventions and logic in mind for this process as it streamlines your workflow. Once you have your calculated fields in place, drag the field named Outlier to Color. This will color code the data points that meet your outlier criteria, giving you a visual indication of outlier distribution. To give these outliers even more prominence in your visualization, drag the Outlier field to Rows. After you've brought outliers to the forefront, a quick pro tip is to right-click on the True value and select Hide. This step cleans up your view and provides a much clearer perspective by only showcasing the data points that don't fit within the expected range. Lastly, for aesthetics and clarity, right-click on the profit header and deselect Show Header. This step is all about reducing clutter, allowing your visualization to clearly communicate the main insights. And there you have it. With these steps, you should now have a powerful visualization that highlights outliers in your data set. I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to practice these steps to become proficient in managing outliers in Tableau. Thanks for joining me today, and happy analyzing.